right now I only have 1,400 Vbucks. What does that mean? That means we have to go all the way to the right and go into Vbucks, and then we have to actually purchase these Vbucks before purchasing any skin. So we're gonna go ahead and go into the last option. So the most expensive one is actually the best price that you get for your buck. So we're gonna go ahead and purchase this. Now purchasing this is really fast. You're just gonna see it on your credit card or your PayPal. Depends how you guys have this hooked up. Now if you come into this error where you can't purchase Vbucks, don't worry about it, just continue on. It is something that they have to fix. So what we have to do is just try again and then purchase. And then finally you should get this load screen. So don't worry about it, just look at how many Vbucks you guys have, and if those actually went through, then you have to look at your account just to make sure that nothing happened. But usually you do have to confirm this. So most likely nothing happened with that error. So we're just gonna confirm our purchase. We do not have to add anything to our wallet. If this is your first time doing it, then yes, you do have to add some money to your wallet. Other than that, you shouldn't have to. So right now we can return to application and we should see our Vbucks just going up. So thanks for your purchase. We're just gonna accept that. And there we go, 14,900 Vbucks. So that's our total right now. So if you want to purchase anything at this point in time, we can. So right now we're just gonna go into item shop. We're gonna take a look at Venom, which is a pretty awesome skin. I already showed you guys in my other video how to buy as gift. Right now we're just gonna purchase this item. So we're gonna go ahead and purchase it. We're gonna equip it as well. Equipped. And of course we're gonna equip this. And there we go. So we do own all of this, which looks really awesome. So at this point, all we can do is buy as gift. We can't buy it twice, obviously. So we're just gonna go back, go all the way into play, and here's Venom. Let's have Venom doing some fire spinning, and he looks pretty awesome. Now there's two styles into Venom, so let's take a look at Venom and his styles. So if we go into Locker, we're gonna click on Venom, we're gonna edit the style. So before I edit his style, what I'm gonna do is just save this as a preset. And let me just put it right here. There's my preset. I'm gonna go back into Venom and I'm gonna edit his style. So here's the second style. So there are two styles you guys get once you purchase Venom. So there's this one, standard one, and then there's this one. It's a little bit more grotesque, but I actually like it a little bit more. So I'm gonna save this and exit. And I'm gonna save this onto my presets. So if I want to save that into my presets, I can just save over this. So I'm gonna press X to save over that slot and confirm. So that's how we can manage these presets and override any of them that we would like. Anyways, at this point, we are all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.